Hello everyone, you can see this model. This is a model of the brain. In this model, the brain, it shows a three part. First it says as a forebrain, second it says as a midbrain, and the third it says as a hindbrain. In this video we concentrate the point it says as the midbrain. This midbrain, it is also says as the mesencephalon. It also says as the mesencephalon. This midbrain, which is situated between the diencephalon. So this part it says as the diencephalon, and this part it says as a pons varolii. Between the diencephalon means below to the diencephalon there is a presence of midbrain, and above to the pons varolii there is a presence of the midbrain. This midbrain, which is completely covered by the cerebral hemisphere. A narrow passage, it's a run. The third ventricles, you can see here, the third ventricle, this part it says as the third ventricle. This third ventricle, it is communicate with the fourth ventricle by means of a communication that is named as the cerebral aqueduct. In this region, there is a presence of the midbrain. This midbrain, which is basically consists of the white matter. It consists of the two regions. The first region, it says as the corpora quadricemina, and the second region, it says as the Crora Cerebri. So what's that two region? This two region, the first one, it says as the corpora quadricemina, and the second one is the Crora Cerebri. The first one we see, it says as the corpora quadricemina. This corpora quadricemina, these are the two pair. You can see here there is a presence of, this is the first pair and this one is the second pair. These are the two pairs of the lobes. The first one it says as the superior caliculi, and the second it says as the inferior caliculi. This it is present in the dorsal thick wall of the midbrain. So this part it says as the midbrain, which is the communication to the third ventricle to the fourth ventricle. As this upper part, it called as the superior caliculi. It receives the impulses from optic nerves. It receives the impulses from optic nerves. This caliculi, it controls and coordinates the movement of the head in response to the visual stimulus. The second part, it says as the inferior caliculi. This inferior caliculi, it controls and coordinates the movement of head in response to auditory stimulus. So these two are the important part of the corpora quadricemina. The second part, which is says as the Crora Cerebri. This Crora Cerebri, it is a pair of a thick band of the longitudinal fibers present on the floor. ये जो नीचे वाला जो पोर्शन होता है वहाँ पे होता है मिड ब्रेन का सेकेंड पार्ट. इट सेज एज द क्रोरा सेरेब्री. That is, it is present in the floor of the midbrain. These fibers, it is connect. You can see here, it connects the cerebrum to cerebellum. So this one is the cerebellum and this one is the cerebrum. This Crora Cerebri, it connects the cerebrum to cerebellum and the spinal cord. This Crora Cerebri, it is a function as transmit the impulses from forebrain. So this part it says as the forebrain. It transmits the impulses from forebrain to the hindbrain or hindbrain to forebrain. It controls the reflex of vision and the hearing. It connects the cerebellum, cerebellum and the spinal cord. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.